Hey guys, here is a question. If distance of the point 1, minus 2, 3 from the plane x plus 2y minus 3z plus 10 is 0, measured parallel to the line x minus 1 by 3, 2 minus y by m, z plus 3 by 1 is root 7 by 2, then the value of mod m is. So let us look at the diagram over here. We have the plane over here, equation is this, and we have a point, and this point has some distance with the plane, but how is the distance measured is that it is measured with this line. Now how will we get this line is because we are given that this line over here is parallel to this line, and this line equation is given to us. So the direction ratios for the line marked 1 is given from the line marked 2, correct? Only that it is that we have the direction ratios, we can find out the point of intersection of this line with the plane, and from that we can find out the distance of the point, because the distance is root 7 by 2, and from that we can find out this m over here. So how are we going to do it? Let's see. We have this line over here, x minus 1 by 3, y plus 2 by minus m, and z minus 3 by 1 for lambda is equals to lambda. So what we have done is we have taken a random point on this plane and taken the direction ratios from this line. So this is the line equation, that is x minus 1 by 3 from here, y plus 2 upon minus m, because y minus 2 upon minus m is the equation, so minus m is the direction ratio in this case, and z minus 3 upon 1 is equal to lambda. This is some lambda. Now we will find the point q, that is the general point on the plane, that will give us the distance of p from the plane. So this is the point q, and we have this q lying on the plane. So I will put this q in the equation of the plane to get the value or the relation between the lambda and m, that is m lambda is equals to minus 1, and so lambda is equals to minus 1 by m. Now I have this case over here, and from this case, once I put lambda in this relation, I will get all the terms or the points in terms of m only. Now I know that point distance between p and q is root of 7 by 2, correct? And using the distance formula, I can find out that the distance is root 7 by 2, which is having this type of relation, and thus this relation becomes 5m square is 20, m square is 4, m becomes plus or minus 2, and the mod of m becomes 2. Thank you.